3, 2, 1. Hey guys, hey, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for clicking on the demo. And as promised, I'm going to show you what Chordbuddy does and why you need it to help learn play the guitar. Okay, so training wheels for the guitar. That's what we like to call this. Just like if you had your kid or when you were growing up, you used training wheels to help you gain balance and to start you on your path to learning to ride a bicycle. Chordbuddy is the same way for the guitar. Here is what to know about this. You put this on the neck of the guitar. It makes the chords for you. In the key of G, it plays 4 chords. It plays G, D, C, and E minor. Okay? And with those 4 chords, you can literally play thousands and thousands of songs. Okay, so let me go through briefly what the Chordbuddy learning system is. All right, it lets you cheat. If you want to term it like that, I don't say that, but some people do. They say it lets you cheat on making the chords. And it allows you not to have to focus on the chords, but focus on your rhythm and timing. See, I'm able to play all those chords, and the strum patterns, without focusing on the left hand. Now that's just in the beginning. We will get to this, and that's part of the teaching process, is that we start removing these, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But the system is going to show you 4 or 5, I think it's 5, strum patterns that you must know in the beginning to play songs. It starts with the quarter strum, 1, 2, 3, 4, goes to the 8th note, which is, goes to the pick strum, goes to the alternating pick strum, which is the root, bass, and then it does the pop strum. That's a different strum pattern there called the pop strum. So I teach you all of these strum patterns. Now once you learn the strum patterns, now we are ready to start removing the chord making tabs and get you on your path to learning to play the chords. Okay, so all you do is you push down on the blue button, pull up on the red, and it slides right out. Okay, now by following the book and the lesson plan, you're going to make the D chord. Now you are playing what this tab was making for you. See those little gray booties there? So they were making this D chord for you. All right. So if we go back to, and then we go to the D. See? So that's, now you're making your first chord. So after you master that chord, you're going to pull the next tab out. And now you're playing the C chord, what this tab was making for you. So you're G, I'm making it for you with the Chordbuddy, E minor, but you're making the C chord yourself, you're making the D chord yourself. Okay, the next chord you pull out will be the G. You learn to make the G. Still using the E minor with the Chordbuddy. Then you pull it out last, and you're playing all 4 chords on your own. And you have successfully completed the Chordbuddy system. You haven't got frustrated. You haven't quit, like 7 out of 10 proven will quit within the first 60 days. With the Chordbuddy system, we guarantee you that you will learn to play the guitar. So that's what it is. So don't waste any more time. Go ahead and buy yourself a Chordbuddy, and you'll be playing in no time.